Zotac sent me their latest graphics card, the 4070 Ti Super, if that's not long enough for you. In today's video, we're going to unbox it. Feel free to check out my full review of this card in another video. And this year, we're checking out the Trinity OC White Edition. Got our interesting tag on the top here. Nothing crazy on the side. Nothing crazy on the side here. But let's give it a shot and crack into it. And on the bottom here, and as like last year, we get a little pouch with the instruction manual, instructions, and more instructions. Interesting that this year the bracket, the holding bracket, is also white. You get a 12-pin adapter, and you also get the graphics card itself. Now, interestingly enough, this graphics card actually feels a little smaller than the one we checked out last year. It is big, but it is not as wide. On the back here, a lot of this is very nice aluminum. Let's see anything else out of the ordinary here. Card doesn't go to the end of the cooler, of course. Got a little bit of RGB on the side, some plastic. Okay, so taking a look, nothing out of the ordinary. It still by no means is a small card. In terms of I/O, looks like you have your traditional 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. Standard 12-pin connector on the side, and nothing else striking besides that. So feel free to check out the review coming up shortly, if not already released at the same time.